Hi guys, I'm so sorry. Yesterday I was supposed to make a video, but I recently had flu, so my voice have been on and off. Even now it's not clear, but yeah, we can try. So the website, oh my god, before we go anywhere, I've been trying so many methods to do to make money online. So I ended up thinking on my PayPal account it was money from R120, right? Listen, don't get me wrong, this is still gonna make us money, right? But I found out that the money was actually from Prolific, right? Listen, don't abandon the first method that I showed you, the link that I showed you. Keep on doing the clicking on ads every day to earn money. It is gonna pay you. It is going to pay you. I'm going to punch in my login details and I'll come back. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification. Guys, if this video really helped you, please like it, okay? Just press the like button below. So here what you're gonna do is, first you're going to sign up, right? Because you don't have an account. So first you're going to sign up. After signing up, they're gonna give you a warm-up test which doesn't pay, right? Let's see if it's here. Let's see if the warm-up test is here. Okay, it's not here. But yeah, first they're gonna give you a warm-up test, and then after giving you the warm-up test, it's really easy, guys. It's really easy. Everything here is really easy. All you have to do is be honest. Your correct details. You have to punch in your correct details. You have to I think you have to upload your ID. Yes, you have to upload your ID, so that when they pay you, they know that they pay in the correct account and the correct person, right? So after doing that, you're gonna go and link in your PayPal account to your account. Here's mine. And then after doing this, right, yesterday the whole day I didn't log in. I didn't come here to do the work, but after you've done everything, signed into Prolific, there's no waiting periods or anything like that. So when you're done, you're gonna come here and do the test, right? You're gonna come here, right? You're gonna come here on Prolific, and then you're gonna come to studies. Nice thing about this is that some of the work you can actually do them on your phone, or some they need laptop, like high paying ones need laptop, but some of them you can actually do them on your laptop, on your phone, I'm sorry. And so as you can see here, they're saying waiting for studies, right? So when you come here, you're gonna find two paying work to do. So after completing, like I said, guys, it's nothing hectic. Trust me, it's nothing hectic. You just need to read the mini paragraph they're gonna give you, and then you go on and answer the questions. It's that easy. But the mistakes that I've made, two. One, I did not go through the, let me show you on this one. Which one was returned? This one here. So I think I got a little bit excited and got carried away. So on this one right here, right, what I did was I skipped the paragraph. I did not read the paragraph. And here's the thing, if you don't read the paragraph, then you cannot go back and read the paragraph again. So make sure that you read the paragraph, and then when you go do the test, you've actually read the paragraph. Guys, it's literally nothing hectic. All you have to do on that paragraph, maybe it's like 2 points on what is the paragraph about, or maybe, let's say they're talking about health, right? And then maybe they're talking about cardiovascular attacks, or they're talking about age group that is most likely to be attacked by a disease, something like that. You just have to capture those 2 things or 3 things that they mentioned in the paragraph, and then you move along and go and answer the questions. And when you're done, they're going to assess you. So that's a mistake that I made, right? I went on, I skipped the paragraph, and then I went to the questions. And guess what? I had to read the paragraph first in order for them to give me marks for this one. So yeah, I couldn't go back or anything like that, so I had to stop the task. I could have earned a little bit more than that. And then, as you can see here, they say in total submissions are 6 and submissions approved is 2. So what happened here is that, alright, I think a lot of people are waiting for tasks. So as soon as a task comes out, right, people jump on them, right? So you can get a task and say start, and then when you get maybe into like the step where you need to like start, they tell you that the class is full. So you literally have to be so quick in order for you to get the task. So that's what happened. One of the tasks I returned, and then the other, oh yeah, I did 3 tasks, I think. I did 3. I did this one, and I did, which one is it? The one that was rejected. This one here, right? But they paid me either way. So you need to be careful. You need to be careful answering this. You need to pay attention. Like I said, you need to read the paragraph. You need to go and answer the questions. You need to be honest and all of that, right? So I did 3 tasks, and then the other 3 tasks, they actually said the class was full. So you just need to be quick, really, jump into task, and then you can get as many tasks as possible. So guys, yeah, here's an opportunity to make some money, and as you can see, this is the amount that I earned. Like I said, I thought this amount was from that website, but it's not from that website. And again, I will leave the link to that website down below, where you can click on ads to make money. It's still running. I'm still doing it, and I'm still earning money from it. But yeah, I will leave the link below. So what I do is that I actually do refer people, right? I refer people to that website so they can go and check it out. Because as much as you click on ads, right, you run out of ads. So what you want to do is refer people to go and click on ads as well, and that is going to boost you. But you have to click on ads yourself, because you need to get to 100 clicks in order for you to get paid. So I am currently on 60 clicks, and when I get to 100 clicks, because I started day before yesterday, right? And then when I get to 100 clicks, I'm actually going to get paid. So don't leave that one. Still do it, and then click on ads every day for you to get paid. So that's about it, guys. If you want to earn money today, like this money, I made it in a day. As you can see, this was, okay, it doesn't show the date. Yeah, this was 10 July, this was 10 July, this was 10, why doesn't it show? But they all 10 July. This is 10 July, as you can see. So I made this 120 in a day, and I was not on my laptop the whole time, trust me. Like, it's so easy. The tricky part about it is that they don't show studies as often as I thought, but I mean, when you start, they do give you tasks, about 4 of them, and then you complete them, and then yeah, from there you just need to wait for them to give you tasks. So if you enjoyed this video, comment down below, and yes guys, I'll keep on looking for you, and trust me, I'll only give you things that I've tested and that I know that they actually work and they are legit. I won't come here and post a video that I know that a website that I know that it's a scam or it's not working. So I will test these things for you and come back and show you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time.